And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can get a refund on Vinted. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to get logged in into your Vinted account to do so. After you have done this, you need to tap on Vinted app. So once you do this, you need to now simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Once you have done this as well, you need to now simply tap on your profile picture on the top right hand side of the corner and simply scroll down to the Help Center option. After doing this, you can simply type in refund on the search bar. Now there you can find an option called receiving a refund. Simply tap on it and now you can get help with the help of the Vinted help team. So simply scroll down below and read all the ways you can get refund. So by reading this and get to know the process, you can simply follow this particular process on screen and get refunded on Vinted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.